So 2015 is when I lost the bulk of it due to mainly medication as a result of my medical history as a transplant patient.
Yeah. Yes.
There were medications that they needed to use that unfortunately are very ear toxic.
How long have you worn the combination of the cochlear implant on your left ear and the hearing aid on the right?
I think I'm pretty sure I got the Cochlear, it was either 2017 or 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been about 8 years,
About 8
hasn't
years.
it, since you've had the combination?
Yeah.
I'm interested to hear about your experience with the Oticon Intent in recent weeks. Yeah, so look, I know you wear a cochlear implant on your left ear, but please tell me, how's it been going with the use of the Oticon Intent hearing aid lately?
Yeah, good. You know, as we discussed a little bit, some fine tuning required for sure. I've noticed definitely in restaurants and things, like you were saying about the ability to enhance speech, it's a lot better, significantly improved. There was a lot of tears, a lot of trials, and I figured out basically in a home environment, just practicing on my own. I use both of my aids and I have them both set on music program.
Oh, yes.
Because I don't want any filtering. I want that to sound as natural as possible. So what I do now live is I have my Cochlear on and I have that on music the same, but I actually have an in-ear monitor in my right. So I take my hearing aid out and use an in-ear monitor.
Oh yes, interesting combination.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, that works for you.
Yeah.